Hey, Cooper's Automotive, and we're going to do a quick video on diagnosing of a 2006 Toyota Highlander. Complaint was no blower on the AC coming out. It's Florida. We've got to have air conditioning. So when she came in, she got it to happen. I got up into the car. Fan motor's right up underneath that glove box right there. And I just did the bump test like that, and it started running. So that's what I'm changing. Is that blower motor. There's your part number, is a 655-2698. You're going to need a torque bit tool. This one here possibly. I think there's a T25 times 4. Plus I've got this with no battery. How about that? But anyway, I'll probably have to get a battery on that if I need it. Let me take those 3 torque bits out, pull this fan. That's how easy it is. Alright, I don't know what your vision area this is, but anyway, right here. Oh yeah, you got to tighten it up first to make sure it's so you can break it off, right? There's one there, one on this side right here. I'll go after the back one in the very back by the carpet so it don't fall down on us. Good. It's difficult when customers come in and say, my air conditioning is not working. It's not cooling. That's what she said the first time. I'm like, well, you'll have to come in when it's doing it because it's not acting up right now. Little plug right here to unplug. And then they come in and you find out, oh, it's the blower motor. Had nothing to do with the Freon level or anything like that. So, anyway, we're going to change the name of our shop to the old timers. But see, I'm the youngest one here. I'm 57. The other guy is 61, and the oldest guy that's working for us is 67 years old. Guy, I'm recording. I'm recording, my friend. Hopefully I can do a bloop. I didn't hear him cussing just now. But anyway, where did my screws go? The things we do for love, right? Anyway, yeah, I got my old mechanic back. Caden's leaving us. He's going to go work in a cushy job. So yeah, tightening these up. Wish we had easy jobs all the time, but it's a rarity that you get something simple anymore these days. Let's plug it in over here. This piece just kind of hooked up into there. Caden, turn the key on and turn the fan on, and let's see if it's working. There we go. It's blowing. How can you know that it's blowing? Well, there you go. What the heck? There. Alright. So, that's it. Say cheese. That's the ugly one. You won't have to see that anymore. It's scary, I know. So, that's your easy diagnosis, because all you got to do is bump test that one, and you know you don't have to check anything else when it works. 2006 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Ask your questions. Good, better, indifferent, nasty, I don't care. I'll reply. You can be mean and I'll always be nice. See you soon.